Teacher, pwede pa quickie?
Yes.
Ano ba yung mga tipo ng ADHD? May mga types ba yan?
Yes, meron po. So meron po tayo mga tao or batang or learners na may ADHD. Ito yung predominantly inattentive type, predominantly hyperactive impulsive type, at saka yung combined type. Usually, nagkakaroon tayo ng severity dyan in terms of their weaknesses pag hindi tayo nag-undergo ng early intervention or rehabilitation services after ng medical diagnosis from a developmental pediatrician. Kaya ang magiging sagot ko, early detection and early intervention really matters to help your child with ADHD to improve his quality of life.
Lumalala ba yung kanyang kondisyon kapag walang intervention?
Actually, yes. Sa experience ko po, may mga after diagnosis at hindi po nila nabigyan ng intervention, talaga nagkakaroon po ng behavioral problem and learning problem po. So, kaya advice ko sa mga magulang, kailangan bigyan nyo ng tutok, hindi lang po ng therapy or OT or behavioral therapy, kundi pag-structure ng kanyang buhay sa bahay.
Pero hindi naman nagkakaroon ng mental retardation?
Wala naman po. Ang usually po sa mga batang may ADHD is learning disability, which is more of difficulty in terms of the subjects sa math, reading, or comprehension. Sa experience ko, wala pa akong batang may ADHD na may usually kasi ang with intellectual disability, rare ko na encounter yon. Pero meron akong case na isa na na-handle. Pero ang baseline doon is hindi kasi siya nag-school. Okay? Pero yung may mga bata, pero ang pinaka-common ko na encounter is ADHD na may learning disability like difficulty in reading, difficulty in math, and difficulty in writing. So there's dyslexia, dyscalculia, and this graphia, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.